Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra first appeared on the network. The announcement is expected in August this year. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will receive the first ever LTPO screen with a frequency of 120 Hz. A Samsung smartphone with model number SM986U has recently passed Bluetooth SIG certification, which indicates that the smartphone will appear on the market under the name Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It was previously reported that Samsung will release the Galaxy Note 20 series in August as successors to last year's Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus. According to rumors, upcoming smartphones will be released under the names Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Plus. Previously, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra did not appear on the network. The Bluetooth certification for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra only confirms support for Bluetooth 5.0. A popular network informant believes that the smartphone can be built on the basis of Snapdragon 865 Plus, while the insider believes that a mistake could be made in the Bluetooth SIG database. So the smartphone will come out under the name Galaxy Note 20 Plus. The smartphone is credited with a screen with a diagonal of 6.9 inches with a resolution of Full HD Plus with support for an image refresh rate of 120 Hz as well as an integrated fingerprint sensor. The phone can have up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal flash memory. The main camera is expected to use a 108 megapixel image sensor. However, a 100x zoom will be a thing of the past and give way to a 50x zoom. According to another source, renders of cases for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus reveal details about the design of the device. Some Alibaba sellers already offer cases for the unannounced Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus flagship. Naturally, images of covers are also published on the trading floor. Thanks to them, you can get an idea of how the long-awaited device will look. Judging by the covers, the device will receive a screen with the curved edges. It will be mounted in a case for the upper and lower ends. The side edges of the cover are very low and do not have hooks. As for the basic version of the Galaxy Note 20, it has likely to get an ordinary flat display without bands. The information has appeared on the network before that the device will receive such a screen, but now it has been confirmed. Galaxy Note 20 will be the first large flagship Samsung with a flat display since the ill-fated Galaxy Note 7. On the bottom of the covers for both versions of the smartphone, there are 3 cutouts for the speaker, USB Type-C port and S Pen stylus, as well as a small microphone hole. At the top, there is only a microphone hole. On the rear panel, there is a rectangular cutout for the camera unit, thanks to which you get an idea of its location and dimensions. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.